creating an avenue for Nigerians to have a respite. Transportation is one of our bane in this country. Movement of goods and services is very difficult because transportation is dead. So what do we do in order to ensure that we make our people mobile and at the same time be able to reduce the cost of transportation on the poor people? We are doing palliative as regards COVID-19. This is one of the federal government palliative, that we will now have vehicles coming at a cheaper rate to Nigeria. That is one. Two, by our own statistics, because of the complaint of the importers of vehicles, they carry over 350,000 vehicles to Benin, which are meant for Nigeria. They land them on their shores, they collect all the charges, and then smuggle them into Nigeria. So for us to stop this and make money out of that, those 350,000 will now come through our ports, because there will not be any complaint of saying the tariff is too high. And I agree with them. If you bring a vehicle of $15,000, you are going to pay almost $7,000 to $8,000, be 70% of the duty accruable. So if that is the case, why? And of course you are a negotiator. You know the point. Most of those dead vehicles, those dead trucks that we see on the road is because these people cannot import these trucks anymore. So they keep managing these trucks. These trucks have been on the road for about 30, 40 years. And they keep managing them. And they die. Every 5 minutes drive, they die. And that's why there's congestion at the port. But if you now reduce the duty and give them the opportunity to import serviceable vehicles, it helps in our economy.